Hey everyone, it's John here from CNS Outdoors, and I am with my granddaughter Evelyn, and today we are going to do a food plot. Evelyn's going to do some work as well, so stay tuned and let's see what happens here. We're going to put some oats, we're going to be putting tetracal, clover, and chicory, and we're doing it. Yeah, you're going to help out, and we're going to see what happens here, but we're doing this food plot for one of my clients, so stick around and thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so, like and subscribe. In this video, I wanted to talk about the reasons why I don't like to till on a food plot that's located on a steep hill. This client here, plot is roughly, we'll call it 3/4 of an acre to an acre. At the bottom of the food plot, it's 900 feet in elevation. At the top of it's 970 feet. That's like walking up a 7-story building on this food plot. And the reason I don't till is because if we would have a good rain, a big windstorm, we'd lose a lot of that topsoil. All your seed would end up washing down the hill as well. So I like to use glyphosate after I get my vegetation up so far, spray it, kill it, and then put my seeds down. That vegetation, which is a thatch, will hold that seed in place and give it a little bit of cover from the sun, animals, whatever. And I've had very good luck doing this. Now I'll take a roller to it. That's always seemed to help give it better soil to seed contact. We sprayed this here a little bit ago and put some peas on there and some radish. And it's been about 10 days since I did that roughly. And my granddaughter's helping me, Evelyn. Gopher. That's what we're gonna call her, Gopher. Anyways, just got done putting some fertilizer on here. And now we're gonna put tetracal, oats, and then some clover and chicory. So, it's looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this for them. So here's the peas. You can see that they're doing pretty good, and the deer are already in here eating them. So I had to show you the crap. But yeah, there's peas growing all over on this plot. So one of the reasons I spray this plot, number one, is this is a big hillside, and if I did this, his father-in-law's house is at the bottom, and if I tilled it up, all that topsoil would be down in his driveway, and we don't want that. And I'm trying to do less and less tilling if I can. I might scratch the top of it with a tiller from here on out, but I'll never dig down deep. You don't need to with most seeds. Corn, soybeans, maybe, especially corn. Sunflowers is another thing, but soybeans, you don't need to get down real deep. ½ inch is maybe all you got to do, but the rest of these seeds, you don't need that. You could just broadcast them. So now I'm putting on oats here with my hand broadcast spreader. The bigger seeds seem to go a little bit easier this way, and I really like using that for my oats, tetracal, and rye. Now when I go to a smaller seed, say a brassica, a radish, something to that effect, then I've got another piece of equipment that I really like to use, and it's worked out wonderful, and we'll show that here in a few minutes.
Come on, buddy. Can I touch you? It's a little toad. Oh.
Okay. You got a new friend. Wait till he pees on you.
No. Oh, he fell. Oh,
Yep, let him hop away.
He's pretty.
Where is he?
He's right there.
We got little Miss Evelyn helping seed here today. So we got it pretty much covered, but we wanted to let her play with the last probably 5 pounds. Ain't gonna hurt nothing to just randomly throw it because we're all over. Yeah, she's having a ball. This is what it's all about. I love teaching my grandkids about the outdoors. They love to help. So I think she meant to do that at me. This small piece of equipment is called an extreme spreader. You put it to your leaf blower. It is awesome to use on smaller seeds like the brassicas, clover, chicory. You can control your pace of what you're going to be spreading so much easier. So we're all done with the food plot here. How did that go, Evelyn? How did you like it?
I thought it was fun.
Yeah, what did you get to do?
I got to help out putting stuff down.
Yeah. And you found what? What kind of critters did you find?
I found toads and leopard frogs.
Yep, leopard frogs and a
leopard
snake.
frog. Yeah, we found a dead snake.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video.